Hi guys, it's Kushi and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys art kit from domes that range from 99 to 425. Now there are some art kits that are missing in this video such as the art on wheels kit and art event kit because I've already made a video on that. Now let's get started. So starting from 99 rupees, firstly we have domes champions kit. This is an art kit and it includes 6 items. The MRP of this kit is 99 rupees. So firstly, we have Dome's carbon eraser tipped hexagonal pencils. These are 5 super dark HB graphite pencils with a unique packaging. The MRP of this pack is 35 rupees, making one pencil to price at 7 rupees. These pencils are hexagonal and they come with a matte finish which makes them look super cool, and the eraser is also black. Next we have a Dome's neon eraser. Now of course we all know this eraser, it was quite famous when it came. This is a super cool eraser that comes with a case, and this eraser's MRP is only 5 rupees. So I've got the green color and this is what it looks like. Next we have Dome's extra long pencil sharpener. This pencil sharpener is also for 5 rupees and I've got the black color. Next we have Dome's plastic crayons in 6 shades. Now these shades are yellow, blue, red, brown and green and black. These crayons are erasable, sharpenable, they are super smooth, flake free, smudge proof and perfect for color application. The MRP of this pack is 25 rupees. Next we have Dome's color pencils in 12 shades. This pack also includes one sharpener. They have a smooth sharpening, they are hexagonal in shape and they are also provided in bright colors. The MRP of this pack is 30 rupees. Lastly, we have Dome's watercolor pens in 12 shades. These are bright and intense colors with ventilated caps, and after use you have to put back the caps to make them last long. The MRP of this color pens is 15 rupees. And that's all for the Champions kit. Moving forward with the Art Amusement kit. This is Art Amusement kit which is also for 99 rupees and it is quite similar to the Dome's Champions kit. This art kit includes 5 items. So starting with the Dome's Zeo eraser tipped hexagonal pencils, which are 5 super dark HB graphite pencils in 5 vibrant colors: pink, orange, yellow, teal and blue. And they come with a super good matte finish, and the eraser is also same as the color of the pencil. These vibrant color pencils actually look like candies. The MRP of this pack is 30 rupees. In this kit, we get Dome's Eraser, which is a 2-in-1 sharpener and eraser. In the previous one, we got a separate sharpener and a hexagonal eraser, but in this one, they have provided us with a 2-in-1 sharpener eraser. I have got the triangular shape, so this is what the eraser looks like. It also comes with a cap, and on the other side, you have the sharpener, and this is how you can open it to throw away your pencil shavings. Next we have Dome's wax crayons in 12 shades. These are assorted shades of colors. In this one you will get pink, yellow, light peach, orange, deep red, brown, light green, deep green, light blue, deep blue, violet and black. They are super smooth and the MRP is 12 rupees. Then we have Dome's color pencils in 12 shades. This one also includes one sharpener and the MRP is 30 rupees. Again the same one that we got in the Champions kit. Then we have Dome's plastic crayons in 6 shades. This is also the same one that we got in the Dome's Champions kit. And that is all you get in the Art Amusement kit. This is Dome's Artsy kit, which is also for 99 rupees. This also comes in a Ziploc packaging. Now let's see what we have inside. So firstly, we have Dome's Paper Friend Super Dark Round Pencil, which might be around 7 rupees. Then we have Dome's Mini Eraser, which is for 5 rupees. Then we have a tiny blue sharpener, 10 shades of wax crayons, and the MRP is 10 rupees. Then we have Dome's color pencils in 10 shades. These are in assorted colors and the MRP is 20 rupees. Next we have watercolor pens in 10 shades. The MRP of this one is 12 rupees. The most different thing about this kit that you get a Dome's modeling clay. Now in this pack you get 6 assorted shades. This is 25 grams of clay. It has a superior mixing quality. It is hygienic and non-sticky, soft and can be easily kneaded, can be squeezed and stretched, builds hand and eye coordination and fine motor skills, and the MRP of this pack is 20 rupees. And then we have Dome's activity and coloring book, which is for 100 rupees. So in this activity book there are different activities such as connect the dots. We have count and color. We also have planet crossword and safari animals crossword. Then we have math and coloring according to numbers and many more other things. So this is a very good coloring book. And that's all for the Artsy kit. Now this is the Dome's Fun Fiesta kit and the MRP of this kit is 100 rupees. In this art kit you get 7 items. So starting with the first one. So this is the Dome's Paper Friend Super Dark Round Pencil. Again the same pencil that we got in the previous one. Then we have Dome's Extra Long Pencil Sharpener, again in the black color, and the MRP is 5 rupees. Dome's Dust Free Eraser, which is for 3 rupees. 10 shades of wax crayons. 10 shades of color pencils. Dome's Modeling Clay in 10 shades. This is 80 grams of clay and the MRP is 50 rupees. The packaging is also quite unique and the smell of the clay was very nice. And the last thing that we get is the Dome's My Drawing Book, which is for 35 rupees. This drawing book also includes a color wheel on the last page, and on the first page it has graphite shading tips. In this drawing book you will get 20 pages, and that's all for the Fun Fiesta kit. Moving forward with the Creatist kit, for 149 rupees we have Dome's Creatist kit. And so far, I think this is the best one because in this art kit, you get 11 things. The first thing that we have is the Dome's Paper Friend Super Dark Round Pencil, again the same one. Then we have a Dome's Eraser. The MRP of this one is 5 rupees. Then we have Dome's Extra Long Pencil Sharpener, which is also for 5 rupees. Dome's 15 cm scale, which is for 5 rupees. This scale is for precise markings and for accurate results. Then we have Dome's Inksify Plus 0.7 ballpoint pen, which is for 10 rupees. Then we have 12 shades of Dome's wax crayons. The MRP of this one is 12 rupees. Next we have Dome's oil pastels, which are in 12 shades, and these are assorted colors. These oil pastels come with a case which is quite unique, and the size of this oil pastels is smaller than the regular ones. These oil pastels have a superior intermixing quality for better effect, and the MRP of this one is 20 rupees. Then we have Dome's watercolor pens, color pencils in 12 shades, and they also include one sharpener in this pack. The MRP of this one is 30 rupees. The second last thing that we have is the Dome's Modeling Clay in 6 shades, and the MRP is 20 rupees. And the last thing that we have is the Dome's Activity and Coloring Book, which is for 100 rupees, again the same one that we saw in the Artsy kit. And that's all for the Creatist kit. Moving forward with the Art Amaze kit. For 199 rupees, you get Dome's Art Amaze kit. In this art kit, you get a total of 9 items. So first thing that we have is the Dome's Hello Extra Super Dark Pencil, which is for around 7 rupees. Then we have Dome's Eraser, which is for 5 rupees. Dome's Long Point Sharpener, which is for 5 rupees. Dome's Inksify Plus 0.7 mm Needle Tip Ballpoint Pen. This pack is of 4 pens. They have a LV ink technology for smooth writing, textured grip for fatigueless writing, and the MRP is 40 rupees. Then we have Dome's watercolor pens in 12 shades, and the MRP is 15 rupees. Dome's aqua color cakes in 24 shades, and they've also included one brush inside the pack. The aqua color cakes are quite compact and easy to carry, and the MRP of this color cakes is 50 rupees. Then we have 12 shades of color pencils. The MRP is 30 rupees. The second last thing that we have are these oil pastels in 12 shades. The MRP of this oil pastels is 50 rupees, and these are the regular size ones. You also get a scraping tool inside, and this is the color range. And the last thing that we have is the Dome's My Drawing Book, again for 35 rupees. On the first page, on the right hand side, you have the index, and on the left hand side, we have shading tips. And on the last page, we have a color wheel. And that's all for the Art Amaze kit. Moving forward with the Art Apps NXT. The last art kit that we have in this video is the Dome's Art Apps NXT. This art kit is for 425 rupees, and you get 9 items in this one. It comes in a box-like packaging, and inside the box you will find this briefcase. The packaging is quite unique and thoughtful, making it easier to carry your crayons everywhere. Now let's open it and see what we have inside. The first thing that we have is an A5 size My Drawing Book. This drawing book is of 20 pages, and the MRP of this one is 25 rupees. On the last page there is a color wheel, and on the first page there are graphite shading tips. On the left hand side we have Dome's Jumbo Oil Pastels in 12 shades. This is the size comparison between the normal oil pastels and the jumbo ones. They are quite big. Then we have watercolor pens in 12 shades. Dome's Bicolor Wax Crayons. These crayons have 2 different colors on 2 different ends. This is what the crayon looks like. It is quite big and also quite unique. The colors are also very bright. On the right hand side we have Dome's Bicolor Pencils. There are 8 pencils in total, so you get 16 shades. Bicolor pencils are pencils that have 2 different colors on 2 different ends. Dome's Super Dark Neon Eraser Tipped Pencils. In this pack, you will get a total of 10 pencils. All of these pencils are eraser tipped. The MRP of this pencil pack is 60 rupees. These are what the pencils look like, and they come in super cool neon colors. The pack also includes one crystal pencil sharpener. The MRP of the sharpener is 5 rupees. At the bottom, we have plastic crayons in 12 shades. With that, we also have a pencil sharpener and one car collectible eraser, which is for 10 rupees. The eraser is super cool and actually looks like a car. And that's all you get in this kit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.